everyone, we're going to find the second derivative of the function y equals cosine cube of x. So the first thing we're going to do is write this as y equals cosine of x cubed. These are equivalent expressions here. So when you take the derivative, that's going to be 3 cosine squared of x times the derivative of cosine of x, which is negative sine of x. All right, and before we simplify, let's just leave it like this for now, since we have to take the second derivative anyway. So for the second derivative, we're going to have to use the product rule. So we're going to take the derivative of the first term, 3 times cosine, I'll go ahead and put cosine of x squared here. And we're going to differentiate that times negative sine of x, and then plus 3 cosine squared of x, and then we're going to differentiate our sine of x. So I'll just put the prime there. Now we're going to have to differentiate this. So this is going to equal, we're going to do the chain rule. So it's going to be 6 cosine of x, and then we go down to 1. So that's just 6 cosine of x. And then the derivative of the inner function is negative sine of x. Then we have negative sine of x here. Now for this one, we're going to get, let's just put that there, plus 3 cosine squared of x, and derivative of negative sine of x is negative cosine of x. All right, now all we have to do from here is simplify. So these, we have 2 negatives, that's going to be a positive. So this is going to be 6 cosine of x, and we have 2 sines. So that's going to be sine squared of x. We have this negative here, so that's going to be minus 3 cosine, and we have 2 here and 1 here, so that's going to be cubed x. Now let's go ahead and factor out, let's just factor out a 3. You could also factor out a cosine, but let's just factor out a 3. And you get 2 cosine of x, sine squared of x, minus cosine cubed of x. And if you want to factor out a cosine, you could. That would be 3 cosine of x. That would give you 2 sine squared of x minus cosine squared of x. Anyway, either one of these is fine. This one's fine as well. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.